Okay, we're taxiing down into the hold for the Wootton Bassett Flypast. I'm the last one of the bunch. About 50 aircraft. There's quite a few on the runway already.
Golf Uniform November, departing southwest, changing to Bristol 125.65.
Golf Uniform November, roger, the Cotswold 1016.
1016, Golf Uniform November.
And Kemble Golf Kilo Echo Victor Sierra at Alpha 126.
Golf Victor Sierra, roger, break, Wootton Bassett formation, wave 2, take off your discretion, the surface wind 320 degrees, 14 knots.
Bassett, wave 2 lead, rolling, 26.
Kemble information, Golf Mike India, Kilo India, message from Victor Sierra, Kilo India is in position to accept the second wave and can be released as the chase tail aircraft.
That's understood. We'll line up behind the formation, Golf Victor Sierra.
Kemble information, Golf Bravo Sierra Hotel, inbound.
Station calling Kemble, say again.
Golf Bravo Sierra Hotel, inbound.
Golf Bravo Sierra Hotel, are you for the Wootton Bassett event?
Negative, I'm coming in to go over to the Augury event.
Golf Hotel, roger, request your POB and point of departure.
Golf Bravo Sierra Hotel is a Lascombe aircraft, 2 persons on board from Lower Upham, currently overhead Blake Hill Farm, 2,700 feet, 1016, inbound to yourself.
Golf Hotel, roger, runway 26 left hand, the QFE 1006, suggest you remain clear of the zone for about 10 minutes, I've got 50 microlights departing.
Oh my god, runway 26 will go, Golf Hotel.
Kemble information, Yak 1 is holding off, being temporary. Once the last microlight is up, I'll be joining downwind for 26 left.
Yak 1, roger, 26 left hand, the QFE 1006, I now have a total of 3 aircraft holding outside the zone.
QFE 1006, that's copy, Yak 1.
As you can see, they're all starting to depart ahead of me. And a final check. Pressures are good. You got no choke on. Look around for Mr. Slade. Oh, I can see there's 3 aircraft there, so yes.
Charlie Victor, wave 2 lead is changing to line and thanks for your help.
Golf Charlie Victor, roger, good luck.
Kemble information, Yak 1. Can I request the fuel bowser across to the Augury site?
Yak 1 Roger, we're on the case.
Thank you.
Kemble Golf Brothers here, Hotel Hotel, orbiting over the lakes.
Golf Hotel, Hotel Roger. Golf Hotel, Hotel, the last aircraft is just about airborne if you want to make your approach now.
Golf Brothers here, Hotel Hotel, we'll go, thanks for that.
I'm not too sure where this guy is going in the runs, but he ain't going very quick.
Golf Victor Sierra, are you in a position to do a right-hand orbit for the missing man?
AFAM, I can do a right-hand orbit right over your filter.
Golf Kilo India, Kemble.
Golf Kilo India.
Is that Golf Mike India, Kilo India, please?
Kilo India is actually joining the formation sort of downstream from us at the moment. He gave me the go-ahead to take off and join tail end Charlie, Golf Victor Sierra.
Golf Victor Sierra and Golf Mike India, Kilo India, can you sort yourselves out as briefed, please? Golf Hotel, Hotel Roger, you for hard or glass?
Hard, and I'll require taxi over the Opry.
Golf Hotel, Hotel Roger, report final 426 hard.
Report final, Golf Hotel Hotel 26 hard.
And Victor Sierra is transferring to Lynham. Kilo India is already over there. He's ahead of me, sir. Golf Victor Sierra, bye-bye.
Victor Sierra, Roger, good luck.
Double information, Yak 1 joining downwind 26.
Yak 1, Roger, report final with the gear avoiding the village.
Yak 1 reports finals with gear avoiding village.
Golf Golf Alpha, report downwind.
Golf Echo Delta Golf Alpha.
Hey, firm.
Oh, Roger, we'll come back now.